I'm NASA astronaut Mike Barrett, and just now I'm living and working aboard the International Space Station. Today, we'll be learning about how we use the station to observe Earth, and to learn how things like dust in the atmosphere or the heights of trees affect people and the climate. Come on, let's go! To begin, let's explore a couple of ways we are currently using the station to study our home planet. The International Space Station captures critical data and imagery for a variety of Earth science applications through its unique vantage point as an orbiting observatory in low Earth orbit. From astronaut photography supporting disaster response efforts to external remote sensing instruments assisting to secure a global understanding of atmospheric and oceanic processes, there are several ways we learn about our home planet through the important work of the space station. In 2022, we used the space station's robotic arm to place an instrument on the exterior of the space station known as EMIT, or the Earth Surface Mineral Dust Source Investigation. The sensor's goal is to understand the mineral dust in our atmosphere caused by strong winds stirring up dust from deserts and other arid regions across the planet. EMIT is an imaging spectrometer, meaning it's like a camera that measures light in hundreds of different colors or spectra. When EMIT looks down at Earth, it can see infrared colors that our human eyes cannot see. When we look at infrared, different deserts show us unique colors telling us what the soil is made of, as well as what kind of dust these regions produce. This study is important because scientists have learned that dust suspended in the air can heat or cool the atmosphere and Earth's surface. EMIT will help us understand the effects of dust in the atmosphere by mapping the minerals in different dust-forming regions. In addition to climate impacts, mineral dust is important for other reasons too. For example, dust can help form clouds or change the chemistry of the atmosphere. When dust settles in water or on land, it can provide nutrients for our ecosystems. If dust falls on snow or ice, it can increase the absorption of sunlight and cause the snow to melt faster. Dust can also reduce visibility in the air or harm human health. Another amazing sensor astronauts installed on the exterior of the station is called JEDI, or Global Ecosystem Dynamics Investigation. Since 2019, it has been measuring the 3D structure of Earth's land surface using a high-resolution laser system, providing the most accurate and high-resolution maps of surface topography, forest structure, and biomass to date. These maps are being used by scientists to better understand how the Earth's tropical and temperate ecosystems capture carbon, and how forest structure is related to patterns of plant diversity and animal habitat use. You know, we as astronauts never get tired of looking at the Earth. We have magnificent windows that allow us these beautiful views, and it's not just because our home planet is a thing of beauty, and it is. It's breathtaking. But the more you look at it over time, you realize that it's a living, breathing organism that is just dynamic in its beauty. It's something that we need to take care of. It takes care of us. And to really take care of it, we need to understand it the best we can. Well, we've enjoyed having you with us as we've discussed how instruments and sensors installed on the International Space Station help us learn about various factors on Earth that can improve our lives as well as the lives of future generations. Thanks for exploring with us today. See you again soon.